guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am restyling and revamping my crochet hairstyle. So I get bored pretty easily. I don't know about you guys, but I get bored very easily. And so this is me in my natural form, no makeup, nothing at all. I'm just bringing you this short video to kind of like just see how it all goes down. So in my review video, I told you guys about like how I typically style it, especially when I feel like it's a bit old. While this is not old, I am gonna cut it, and I want you guys to come along with me for the ride. Sit back, relax, and just keep watching. So I will not cut this too short. I'm just gonna take out like the straggly ends that I mentioned before. If you haven't seen my video yet, please check the description box for the video of this hairstyle review. So I basically kind of just like angle it a little bit, and then I just kind of go with where I want it. I do not want it extremely short, and I do not want it extremely long. So I think this is gonna be it. So right here I have some extra length, and because from the back I do want it to, so I'm kind of doing like a bob but a long version, you know. Let's see. Oh, that's looking good. Love it. Maybe a little shorter. Cute. Yes, honey. Alright guys, this is the finished look. So all I did, as you saw, was just cut it. I kind of leveled it towards the front, trim it up to my liking. I probably still have a few extras that I might need to work on, but for the most part I'm liking how it's looking. And this is basically how I revamp my crochet hairstyle to make it last longer so I don't get bored with it, and I am feeling it. I really do like that bob kind of like blonde cut that I have going on. And this is it. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the video, and if you like the transition from what I had before to what I have right now. And that is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.